Well, howdy. Nearly Senior Citizen here. Greetings, boys, girls, and all of our non-binary friends, and welcome to this, another reaction video, son of a gun. I mean, really. I know. But still, this is Beast in Black with Ghost in the Rain. Now, I haven't reacted to a Beast in Black song for quite a while, and I've enjoyed every single one that I've listened to. They had nice videos, nice, extravagant, over the top, and I really liked that. The music was awesome, so this will, I think, be the first one without a music video, which, is how music originally came out, so I guess I can't complain. Thumbs up on that. Now, of course, I live in a house with people in a neighborhood, and I keep my window open for my kitty cats. So if you hear the outside world, or my housemates, or you see a bug that flew in through the window, then hey, good hearing, good eyes. And I do all my reactions from suggestions in the comments, so if you could leave me one, that would be cool. If you could drop me a like, that would be awesome as well. And if you could subscribe to the channel, definitely a thumbs up. In the video description, there's links to a Patreon, which I have. If you could become a patron, that'd be cool. Links to a PayPal and an Amazon wishlist link. If you check those out, thumbs up on that. But Beast in Black, Hokey Smokes with Ghost in the Rain. I'm looking forward to it. I kind of missed not having heard them for a while. I got to admit, I really like what I was hearing. Definitely a thumbs up on that. So, let us watch whatever there is to watch, probably just a still picture. Let us listen to, let us enjoy, definitely, the best part, and let us react to that song by that group right now. Okay, slow build up. That's not bad.
You're here again.
Uh-oh.
Before my eyes, a ghost within a dream.
It's so over the top, even so gentle, so mellow.
Just kill me every time. Is this how it will stay? By the river I walk and wander on. I'm a warrior on a journey home. Will you show me the way to you once more? Always yours, ghost in the rain. I wish I could undo my grave mistake and say the words unsaid. Obsession grows like flames. Time only makes it worse. It hurts, yet I'll be strong. By the river I walk and wander on. I'm a warrior, dreaming of lost love. Will you open the door to me once more? Always yours, ghost in the rain.
Perfect timing, perfect place for a solo. I mean, this is beautiful. You don't have to be over the top, flamboyant, extravagant in every move to be good. I'm laughing at myself when I laugh while chair dancing. I'm enjoying myself far too much, and so I start to laugh at myself. That was good. That was really, really good. That was awesome. I don't know. Okay, there we go. I've mentioned it before. I'll mention it again. Your brain gives you shots of dopamine, the reward neurotransmitter, when you are listening to music that has anticipation points. If you can anticipate what the music is going to do, you get a little shot of dopamine and you feel good. There are a lot of very, very easy to follow anticipation points in a song like that. That feels good to listen to and just get into. Definitely a thumbs up on that. I missed Beast in Black, and although this was extravagant and it was over the top, it wasn't as wild and crazy as some of those I've heard and listened to before. Definitely good though. Hokey smokes. I love that. Beast in Black. Definitely a thumbs up. And what else is a thumbs up is, hey, remembering that I do all of my reactions from suggestions, so if you could drop me a suggestion in the comment, that would be cool. Yay, definitely a thumbs up. And of course, if you could check out the links to my Patreon and PayPal, Amazon wishlist link down and, well, wherever the video description is. I don't know what device you're watching this on. Now, of course, don't feel obligated. I don't feel entitled. The only thing I ask you to do is watch the video, enjoy the reaction. And enjoy the video and the song, because holy smokes, that was a good song. I really enjoy Beast in Black, and I hope that you do even half as much as I do. Definitely a thumbs up on that. So, until we meet again, you take care. Have a great day today. I will see you on the flip side. I'm going to smack something, like my microphone into the camera one day being that extravagant. Thumbs up. See you on the flip side. And that is a very good thing.